Hello! Look for the hidden letters E, F, H, T. E. Great job! F. Congratulations! H. Congratulations! T. Great job! You found all the letters. Come back soon to find more.
Today we're at the construction site. Can you help our friends get the vehicle they need? Tap the right vehicle. Elliot wants the bulldozer. That's not what we need.
Congratulations!
Yeehaw! Elliot needs the concrete mixer truck.
Very good!
Yeehaw! Elliot is looking for the dump truck. That's it! Yeehaw! Elliot is looking for the crane. Great job! Yeehaw! Elliot wants to drive the forklift. Great job! You did it! See you soon!
Lisa and Cowie are having a great time by the campsite. Oh no! Cowie is running away alone! We should help Cowie! Build a path to where Cowie is. We made it! We rescued Cowie! Great work! Camp-tastic!